Have you heard about the Mood Thermometer? You're measuring your mood. Times like this can be so stressful. It's a joyous season, but remember, it's not joyous in every way. Some people are really struggling. Some people do not have the family and friends to celebrate this season with. Some people have, yet it is chaos, a lot of things going on. Some people still have to work. Some people are not able to take time off. Some people are so pressured, super pressured by other things going on. Wherever you fall, either side, please check your mood. Are you happy? Are you calm? Are you neutral? Are you slightly, mildly stressed? Are you moderately stressed, unhappy? Or are you severely pressured or stressed? Are you sleeping well? Are you thankful? Are you grateful? Are you sad? Are you anxious? A lot of things can be going on. So please check your mood. Take your mood thermometer and check your mood. You may create your own. You may find one online, or you may be insightful about your own. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. That way you can monitor your mood and become very self-aware of your emotions before they get out of hand. Check your mood. That way you can be able to sustain some happiness during this season. Because guess what? When you know how you're feeling, you can better control it, or you can better get to the desired feeling that you want. Check your mood often. You can sustain the mood that you choose. Please do not get carried away with all the noise and distractions around. Be you. Check your mood often